So, do you love animals? Do you like books about animals and all kinds of interesting facts? I have two books to share with you today. This one is called There is a Tribe of Kids by Lane Smith. Came out in 2016, and it is really, really interesting in that it shares all the different names of groups of different animals. Okay, so for instance, this is called a pod when you have a whole group of whales. Another example, ravens. They're called an unkindness. I've never heard of such, right? So again, it's just chock full of living and non-living things and what they're called when they're in groups. And yes, kids, tribe, tribe of kids or humans. This other book, which is very similar, very, very similar, is called Packs, Strength in Numbers, and it's written by Hannah Salyer, written in 2020. So it's a little newer. And again, it's just talking about strength in numbers. Oops, strength in numbers and what they're called. But it goes a little deeper. It really talks about how we're all better together and what these animals are able to accomplish as a group versus when they're working alone. So unity and agreement is really highlighted in both these books, but this one has a little bit more information. Um, Again, a pride, what they're able to do, a school, a fish, how they're able to help one another. It is really, really, if you can't tell from just the pictures, an amazing book. At the end of this book, I will say again, all together, we are better. We all help one another. At the end, some tips are given for how we can help those in our environment, whether it's people or whether it's animals or plants. So again, two great books about animals. Check it out. You won't be disappointed.